Hello everyone, this is Lolly. Today I want to work on coloring in my Canva bullet journal, and there is a page here in the beginning which is this little doodle garden coloring page. So what I'm going to do is take the Zig, I called it Zig blender pen, and using this set of inks, which is the Life of the Party ink collection, consists of Party Dress, Tutti Frutti, Tiki Torch, Tiara, Lime Ricky, Aquatini, Something Borrowed, and Flirty Fuchsia. I'm going to work on coloring this using these inks, and the way I'm going to do that is to open one of them, dip the Zig blender pen in there, and apply the color to the page. One thing I think I'm going to do though is to use a paper towel under my hand, because I'm afraid the oils from my hand will affect my coloring or affect the page there. So what I'm going to do is just start playing around. Now I'm going to change colors, and so one of the things I can do is I can take this tip and wipe it off on paper until it comes out clean like this, and just keep doing that until it comes out clear. Or I can just go ahead and keep using it in similar inks. So if I go from this one, which is yellow, and I immediately go to the Tiki Torch, I think we'll be okay. Another thing you could do is to use one tip for your warm colors and one for your cool colors. I am really loving these colors. I think these are really turning out so cute. I almost hesitate adding other colors to it because I'm so happy with the pink and the green shades right now. But let's see what I think here about adding a little more in this area here. Oh, I am loving this. Okay, basically I'm just going around now and looking where certain colors need to be added to kind of balance things out. And I haven't used the Aquatini Something Borrowed or the Flirty Fuchsia on this. And I think I'm just so happy with the colors as I have them. But I'm just noticing a couple areas that need some attention. But I do, overall, I love how much white there is. I think it's really adorable. Now, I'm really not so sure about this, so I think that needs a little more work there. That helps a lot there. Okay. Wow, it is so, so cute. We're just gonna go here. I think I am going to stop there because I know it's hard, but I love the fact that there are so many white spots here. I think it just really makes the colors that I do have, makes them really pop. And it's something that you can always come back and visit later on. but I think I'm really content with just letting it stay as it is. It is so adorable. Okay, let's open this up. There we go. And it looks really good with this, with the amount of pink that I have here. I think it is so precious. Well, thank you for watching. I know that really wasn't a tutorial, but it was fun just to sit there and color. Oops, I do see one more thing. Of course this is going to happen, but I just feel like this needs a pop of yellow here. Okay. Now, do you think I'll really be able to walk away? I will try. Thank you everyone for watching.